Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can promote your videos on TikTok by simply using the built-in function in the app itself. This is something very few people know about, and this is how you can potentially get viral. Okay, let's launch the TikTok app and let me show you where this actually is hidden. First thing you want to do, you want to click on the lower right corner at your profile picture. Then when you have the landing page open of your account, you want to go ahead and click on the upper right corner at the three straight lines. Then click on Creator Tools, the first option. So now guys, if you scroll down to the section that is called More Tools, there is a second option which is like a small fire, like a Kindle icon. You want to click on it. When you click Promote, you are able to essentially select any of your videos and you'll be getting at least 1,000, 2,000 or 11,000 or 24,000 views by simply paying for it. Okay, me personally, I'm getting a coupon from the app. I'm not sure you guys are going to get it. It depends, I don't know, of the location probably, or depends of the usage or whatever. But you want to make sure that you go ahead and check out, and this is where you're going to select. You see product selection. You can simply select switch video and you can scroll through your content and pick which video you want to promote. But essentially this is it. I don't know, is it worth it just in the money wise? I don't know, 1,000 views, will 1,000 views get you the $5 back or $6 back? I don't know guys, depending of the content. But this is how you promote videos on TikTok. For more tips like this guys, subscribe and like this video.